Welcome to High Point Central, home of the Bison, and since 1996, home to the International Baccalaureate Diploma Programme. IB offers college-level study through a proven, worldwide curriculum that will develop students into strong thinkers, writers, and leaders.
It is my job and my pleasure to help promote this program so that we can get more students on this path to academic discovery and excellence.
I've seen IB graduates go all over. We have some in Ohio State, we have some at Duke, we have some at Wake Forest, we have some at all the UNCs, UNC Chapel Hill, UNC Greensboro, UNC Wilmington. So the opportunities are endless.
When students from High Point Central's IB program come back having graduated, they talk about how much the program helped them with time management, balancing extracurriculars, because our kids are involved. They're probably the most involved group of kids at Central, so that translates well for college.
IB Theory of Knowledge is a really exceptional class that our IB students get to experience because it prepares them for so many facets of the real world, and by getting them at the high school level, they're much more prepared to perform well at the college level. So for example, one of those pieces is the extended essay. The extended essay is approximately about a 3,000 word essay that is rigorous and requires great research. And by participating in the extended essay, they're ready to tackle the difficult papers that they're going to be receiving from their college professors.
In 9th and 10th grade, IB track students take honors and AP classes to prepare for IB. As juniors, they enter the full IB Diploma Program with courses in English, world languages, history, science, math, and psychology or philosophy. These classes match the rigor of AP, carry the same GPA points, and offer the same academic weight.
For me, I chose High Point Central and IB because my siblings had gone through it and I saw the success that it brought them. So with my siblings, I feel that IB helped them with their successes in high school and outside of high school, because with my sister specifically, I directly saw her through her college experience right after high school, and I felt that she was managing it very well. She goes to a pretty prestigious school and she's double majoring, and I felt that she's doing a very good job. She's on Dean's list.
Really connected as a community together. I've made a lot of friends and I've actually become very social, and being in the program I've really expended on my social anxiety, and I feel very confident and comfortable with all the people that I'm surrounded by.
My favorite class in IB would be philosophy. The reason why is it's a mixture of the subject and the teacher. His name Mr. Bean, and he is so into the philosophy, as well as all my other classes, teachers. But because of that, that's so amazing. The teachers care, the students care. That's an amazing environment.
The reason I chose to do IB was because I'm not really good at communicating with other people. It would help me develop those skills. Let's say do presentations in classes or in my future career.
I would say the biggest benefit that I would get from doing IB, the preparation that I received, because normal high schoolers, they don't receive the same level of stuff. I'm doing early college level things, which I think will really benefit me for my future, so that I'm not overloaded during college. I'm able to take my time and understand things, and I'll be more prepared.
One thing I liked about the IB program was about how they let you do the IA in philosophy. They let you take any piece of entertainment that you like a movie, a show, a novel, whatever, and you turn it into something philosophical.
I do feel very supported as an IB student. There are 7 great teachers. We have them both years, so I got to know them very well. So I came into senior year feeling great. And then again, the same people, so that includes students. So I have a lot of the same friends, and we hung out during the summer, and I know them very well. So I just came to this year not nervous and knowing what to expect.
The biggest benefit of IB would probably be the college credit I get out of it at the end of the year.
I'd most definitely recommend it to an 8th grader, and I think because it just provides you with so many good opportunities whenever you're around that senior year going to college or whatever you're going to do. It looks really great on a resume or on whatever your applications, and it also just really sets you up nicely for the future because it helps you learn.
If you want a rigorous program, why would you not take advantage of the IB program at High Point Central High School? We have teachers whose students have walked these halls, went through the IB program, are going to UNC, Duke, Davidson, and so many more top-notch colleges and universities.
Ready to be challenged, grow, and stand out to top universities? Join the IB program at High Point Central, where your future starts now. Apply anytime.
You should join the IB program today.
You should join the IB program today.
You should join IB today.
You should join the IB program today.
You should join IB today.